All right, folks, let's talk about Goldman Sachs here. One of the big banks that also gave us a very good opportunity during the week of January that was initiated this operation. This week we had many banks giving the same signal, the same opportunity, and now we have many banks bringing the possibility of a reversal. And that's what I want to show you, how we bought, how we managed, and how we profited from this operation. This is part of a series of videos we have here that are videos of commented operations. It's what we do in our day-to-day, and after we do it, it's no longer an opportunity. We record and feed our operations database here from our daily operations of our students, so that new future students can join. And we also open this video for you so you can follow what we do. So basically, folks, Goldman Sachs, and before that, if you could subscribe to our page, give it a like, that would really help me to continue releasing these videos for you. So basically, we have Goldman Sachs rising since December 2023. From December 2023 up to the point where this new entry occurred, it had already risen 84%. There were already many other opportunities happening here, but this was the last one. So basically what is being shown here is the last entry opportunity within an upward trend, has several entry points that are opportunities, and this was the last one on the 13th during the week of January 13th. When this operation appeared, we suggested to our club that we had the option to buy the stock. Each share cost $625.94, or we had the option to buy an options contract, and with that, each option was $28. And the minimum investment here is $2,855 because each contract has 100 options. So I opted for the options contract. I found it more advantageous, and it had a very good benefit because here in the week of January 21st, it opened lower, and then it gave the entry point. This made it much easier for options to create trades and for us to enter in a more simple way. So basically here, I made my entry, bought a minimum lot here, investing $2,855 in $10. Then for 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, folks, I didn't exit on the last one. I exited on the penultimate one where I held my position, meaning I spent 4 weeks just watching the stock appreciate. And why did you exit here, Gustavo? Because here, during the week, we had a 3% drop in the stocks, and I have a situation and a way of operating called trailing stop, meaning it had already appreciated 5, 6, 7, 8%. I will protect a part of this movement. With that, my friends, what do we do here? The $28 options last week reached $54. But I exited here at $49, exactly here at $49. This gave me a profit of $20.45 per option contract. So the calculation we make is it was invested $2,855, bought without options, and gave me a profit of $20.45, a profit here of $2,045 in this contract. Basically, from the 2,855, 2,045 came from new profit with this operation. But this, my friends, is not actually the reference we should have? The reference we should have is at the brokerage. We have $100,000 there, and dividing by $2,045 we had here a profit of 2.4% of all our capital. Half a year of American fixed income in 1 month of trading. However, only 2,855 was invested from the 100,000 at the brokerage. You have 100,000, open the home broker and place an order for 2,855, and all the rest stays there for other opportunities. That's the beauty of options. We can manage with little money, even having a larger and significant amount of money in the brokerage to make a very good financial return. Great, Gustavo. 2.04% already seems interesting to me. When I do this calculation for you, with $100,000, if we manage to achieve these 2% per month, over a period of 10 years, the $100,000 becomes worth $1,128,000. With this, my friends, with this, we keep multiplying our savings with a single vision. That in the future we have a more peaceful life, better and obviously with responsibility. Are you going to take all your money and invest in the next option? No. You saw here that even with 100,000, only a small amount was used, 2,855. We managed the risk. We limited the risk in this operation to the point of only using $2,855, and it was enough. So if we work on this and achieve a return close to this month after month, we will have this capital growth. That's it. May God be with you all. If you like this type of operation, if you like this type of teaching, this is no longer an opportunity. It's already past. It's just an explanation of how we work. Subscribe to our page, give it a like, which helps the platform share this with more people, and it will encourage us to keep this content open for you, all right? May God be with you all. Take care. Bye-bye.